realize it's a scam anymore.
Credit repair. Basically, for pennies, any Joe Schmo can go online, sign up to start their own credit repair business.
I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know. But did you see what I was trying to do there? See that? She is reacting to the other video. I'm reacting. No, let me start again. She's reacting to the lady. He's reacting to her. And I'm reacting to the lady, her, and him. I don't know. I thought it was funny. Well, let's start this again.
It's a scam that's become so normalized that we don't even realize it's a scam anymore.
Okay.
Credit repair. Basically, for pennies, any Joe Schmo can go online, sign up to start their own credit repair business, and then prey on generally financially irresponsible and lower income people who need actual credit help. And to top it all off, these credit repair companies legally, by law, cannot collect payment from these consumers until after the work is completed and there were results on their credit report, unless they sign them up for subscription services, which is why Lexington Law and all the other credit repair companies sign you up for a month-to-month or 3-month or 6-month repair program. So basically, they can just string your money along for months to months, when in reality, a mortgage lender like myself can teach you how to do it for free. There are resources all over the internet of ways to help build your credit and fix your credit for free. You do not have to pay $1.
This is simply not true and very misleading. The reality is that most mortgage lenders like you don't have the time nor the will to help their clients fix their credit, especially if the client has a lot of problems in their credit. Because you don't have the time to file disputes, you don't have the time to call the collection agencies, you don't have the time to negotiate with banks and agencies. And again, I'm talking about most mortgage lenders. And I know about this because my company helps a lot of mortgage lender companies to manage the clients that don't qualify for mortgages. Also, you are correct that there is a lot of companies out there that are scamming people. And there is a lot of information on how to fix your credit yourself without having to pay anyone. But just because you can do it yourself doesn't mean that you shouldn't pay someone to do it. I can sell my own house, but I'd rather have a realtor. Same thing with credit repair agencies. If they're good, they will save you time, they will do a better job than you do, and they will take away all the stress related to the process. Because if you know about credit repair, you know how long and frustrating the process can be. So no, the fact that credit repair agencies are a scam is just a misconception. If you want to see results, reach out to me, we can help you.
All right. Ignore that ad of New Jersey credit repair. We're not here to listen to that. Well, hello, my people. This is George from Credit Recovery. Back at it again with my shenanigans. Reacting to another video to go ahead and educate the misinformation. There was a lot to unpack in that video. So let's go ahead and just jump right into it. So essentially there's 3 people to blame when it comes to your credit. Normally you have the lender, which was the girl, and then you have the credit repair, and then you have the person. And this is the reason why. So when it comes to a mortgage company, the point that she has is that yes, it is very easy. Like literally, you can just go tomorrow and just create an LLC and start your own credit repair business. So I definitely do agree with her that that it is just really easy and they prey on people. You can do researches. That's why there's always a hesitant for people to do credit repair, because there's just been a bad name against it. I like the point that the gentleman said, because I do think credit repair is needed. That is something that is needed because unfortunately in the United States, we're not educated. It's something that we have to learn through trial and error. It has been getting better as time and years have gone by, but it's just something that is just not taught to prepare us for. So I definitely agree with it. And then I blame the person too, because it is your responsibility to do a due diligence when it comes to your credit and finding a credit repair. So when it comes to that, when you're not doing your research, are you seeing, are they even certified? How many years do they have in the industry of credit? When you don't do that, that's when you fall into these predatory people that will go ahead and just take advantage of you when it comes to these to repairing your credit. And that's something that I think needs to I think have like a barrier to entry when it comes to wanting to do like credit repair, or so it would be like having some years in experience, showing that you do have experience, showing that you've gone through the proper education, getting certified to be a credit repair. That is something that I definitely do believe. Definitely not something too difficult to get you into the entry of becoming into credit repair, but at least being able to make it, at least for you to go through a couple steps. Because when you want to become an appraisal and appraise houses, you have to have a certain amount of hours when it comes to that. And I definitely think that's very important, and also getting your education. So like it's very difficult to try to find a balance. But also the guy, New Jersey Credit Repair, he is wrong, because the credit act that she went ahead and mentioned, they actually state that you can't take payment until you actually get them into a contract. And then within having a person within a contract, you have to also make it, I want to say, easy for them to cancel, but not make it, if they don't like their services, that they can go ahead and cancel. So he's definitely wrong about that. I'm actually surprised that he didn't catch that, especially with him being in the industry. To me, it mind blows me. So yeah, so this was very interesting video. So again, if you are needing assistance with your credit, I'm your guy. Again, I've been doing this for a decade. I am what you called an underwriter, person that approves, declines, and counters loans. I know what it takes to actually approve somebody versus someone that is a credit repair and has no experience or has been in the industry. So definitely, if you're definitely interested, go ahead and just inbox me. And there's something else that I did definitely remember was about the mortgage lender, the girl that was the lender, is that even with them, the guy did bring up a great point that they don't even take the time to help them. And if you really think about it, why would there be an incentive to help you? Because if they help you and improve your credit, they can't charge you any more interest. Didn't know that, did you? I'm out here educating. But again, if you definitely like the video, follow. I'm continuing to follow up with more videos, and then go ahead and give you guys some more reactions to some misinformation, and just see you guys on the next one.